Let's talk about the hook bottom box. If the waste pin of the hook bottom box is narrower, then no worries, the operation is good. Now, Hitoshi is aiming at 6, and then we look from over there, come over and take a look. Then pull it down, then pull it to the other side, then we pull it back, then turn it around, and then next time.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, everyone.
There are 2 boxes over there. It's more. Ending up with the Let's take a look by going around over here. We use 2 because the waste pin is narrower, so we push 2 from there to here, the same as transmitted here. Push these alpinias, they don't bend down, or else it will fluctuate.